Hello ladies, welcome to Femzo. Thank you so much for being a part of our family. Many viewers watch our videos without subscribing Femzo. Please do subscribe and support our channel. To remove facial hairs, many of you are going for parlors to thread your upper lips. Most of them use razors, do waxing to remove the facial hair. In this video we have shown you a simple DIY which can remove your facial hair permanently. It is absolutely fine if you have facial hairs on your upper lip, chin areas. But why should we remove our facial hair? Removing these facial hair makes your skin look brighter and gives you confidence. It also removes excess oil and dead skin cells. Let's get into the video. All you need is half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and half a cup of hot water. Lemons are used because it gives natural bleach to the skin hair. Honey's antibacterial property heals the irritated skin. When you prepare the mixture, make sure it is sticky. Use an ice cream stick to apply the mixture to the upper lip area. Let it stay for 15 minutes, after which, you can use a cloth or some cotton to remove it. By doing this, your hair growth would be slower than before. Patch test before trying this remedy. Because some skin may be allergic to lemon and honey,